This video explains how to buy shares of Rezolute Inc. on a brokerage platform. Rezolute is a biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker RZLT. This material is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RZLT to locate the listing. Make sure the result matches Rezolute Inc. before you proceed. Open the Rezolute share page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the page shows ticker RZLT and the company profile you expect. To invest, click Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate and review the fees and order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to the broker used in this demo is in the description.